Okay, so in today's tutorial we're going to create a LUT. LUT is a lookup table, that's what it stands for. In simple words, it's basically an adjustment effect, which can be applied to a clip to make it look more artistic, cinematic, to change the colors. Some LUTs change the color dramatically, other ones are just subtle changes to the tones, like shadows or highlights. So to start creating custom LUT, you should go to the color panel. By default, probably when you open Premiere, you will be in the editing panel. So if you don't know how to get to the color panel, just go to Window, Workplaces, and go to Color. And that's what you should see. So once you have a clip imported in the timeline, on the right side, you should go to Creative. And by the way, if you cannot see the Lumetri Color panel here, so I'll just close that down. So if it's like that for you, you can go to Window and find Lumetri Color. And now this panel should be here. Also, it can pop up like that. So to dock it to the right side, you just grab it by the title and just put it here. Okay, to start creating LUT, we can go to the Lumetri Color and start adjusting and creating the look that we are going for. So in this case, we can adjust the contrast. Okay, so I am quite happy with this one. So to save the LUT for using it in the future, you have to click on those three lines, go to export.look, select the name, so I'll name this faded film, and export it to desktop. Also, when you are creating the LUT in Premiere Pro, you have the benefit of actually saving the preset. So you can save it directly in Premiere, so you don't have to export it. I'll name it Faded Film. We can leave type as scale, and you can add the description, so I'll describe this as my custom LUT. So once you save the LUT, you can find it under Effects, so go to Effects tab and go to Presets, and here you can see your custom LUT. If I hover my mouse over it, you can see this description that we created. Apply it, you can just drag it over to your clip and it's applied instantly. If you go to Effect Controls and scroll all the way down, you can see Lumetri Color Faded Film has been applied. So all the parameters that you see on Lumetri Color panel, you can adjust most of them right here as well. So exporting LUT file is a good idea if you're working with another editor and you would like them to use the look that you apply to your footage, so they don't have to come up with that manually. So you can just send the file, in our case that would be fadedfilm.look. They import it into Premiere and that's all they have to do. To import the LUT into Premiere manually, you can go to Premiere on the dock, click Show in Finder, right click, Show Package Contents, expand content, go to Lumetri, LUTs, Creative, and then just drop the file. Once you drag and drop the file into Premiere catalog that I just showed you, close the Premiere if you had it open, reopen it, go to Lumetri Color, Creative, and that preset will appear in this list under Creative tab. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. If you learned something, click subscribe and hit the like button for more upcoming tutorials.